Somebody commented in one of the vlogs that I uploaded and wanted us to skate, so I'm going to go buy a skateboard from the mall right now and try and teach myself how to skate again. I used to be okay, but I want to learn to tray flip today. We made it to the mall. We're gonna go buy this skateboard and then probably go back to my house and see how good I am at skating. Bro, I can never not go to the mall and not get Webster's pretzels. Like, it's like, this shit's heaven. So good. Bro, but the tint on them is beautiful. It's like pink tint on these. But $100? Like, I know they got these motherfuckers made for like $3, bro. You see me at the fit with this? Or not?
Nah.
No? These ones are crazy. I do really like these though, but do I want to spend $200 on these? I don't even know like what model these are. This color's pretty cool too. So I love chocolate boards. They're like right over here. I have no idea like what's good anymore, dude. I haven't skated for like 6 or 7 years, like actually. I really love Baker boards too. Baker boards have fucking crazy pop. They're sick. Got a board.
Now you're about to pop Fat Trey's first tee.
Hell nah, that'd be crazy, bro. First try out. Remember I almost landed one when I had like skating down there? Yeah. Peter just got groomed, guys, and he looks so cute. Peter, come here. Look at him, dude. He looks so clean. Easy, of course. And shove it.
Shove it, yeah.
Up shove it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah, do that.
I mean, basically, right?
Yeah.
Ow! Dude, that shit bounced off my tire and almost killed me. Fuck. Alright, thank you, bro.
Small wood fires, okay? I didn't fucking know that.
Yeah, we could do like a little bonfire
I
here.
didn't know that you could.
That'd be
That's
fire,
crazy.
right?
That's actually crazy that you're allowed to have a fire.
I would never expect that, bro. Every park in LA is just like no fires.
Well, people actually camp here sometimes, so.
Well, let's get this show on the road. Okay, okay.
Damn, that van's sick. Get that in the back.
Let's put my dildo in there as well. What's loud? You can't keep the thing going.
You guys hear that? Landon called me a dog. Dude, actually, I wish this was deep enough because this would just be so fire. At the beginning of the hike, just fucking put a little fronty in here or something.
Disease.
We're gonna have some regrets after we get out of this water.
Yeah, you're telling me. I was already thinking about it in the car.
You can also get high if you eat a bunch of healthy seeds.
I didn't even
Like a
know.
heroin high?
Yeah.
Fuck, count me out.
Count me in.
You catch anything? No? Yeah, man.
Shakedown 1979.
I'm scarred for life from the one time I did it and hurt myself.
Really?
Yeah, it was like in high school. I landed like this in the water.
Oh my god.
Okay, it's just as bad as the cold plunge.
Yeah, that's fine.
Hell yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Be a man.
Oh, there you go, Landon. Landon's being a
Now
man.
I'm a little numb to it.
Hey, if I go in shock, if I go in shock, you're gonna have to fucking grab me.
Yeah, that's a fucking cold plunge, buddy.
Hold on, let me brace myself. That's a cold plunge. Dude, it's freezing.
It's bad. It is like, it's actually worse than ice because you're fully in that bitch. I can't feel this right now. I can't feel this.
Dude, on camera, it looks like you're fucking naked, Brandon. Your shorts are like blending in with you.
Bro, it is fucking it's just in my nuts. That feels good. Do it, do it.
Wim Hof.
We conquered. We killed him?
Yeah, fucking. Did I kill him?
Oh, what is that?
Stop. I did not like that at all.
Alright guys, it's Thanksgiving night, and by that time lapse you can see that I'm getting ready to go to a shoot right now, and it's actually for my brand to post tomorrow at noon. I was gonna do a lookbook, but then so many people that I wanted to shoot were just going back home for the holidays or had shit going on, so I'm shooting it all myself with my friend Kenny that you guys will meet in a little bit, but hopefully it goes well. Kenny is really fire. He's edited a lot of my videos before, but this is literally owning a clothing brand. Being last minute is shit because you can't depend on rappers or other people to be on time and shoot in your shit, and that's just all honesty. We're going to go skate right now. I'm with my friend Nick and Bilal, and I suck at skating right now, so I'm not trying to go to a park that's full. And we pulled up to this park, and there is literally no one here except like joggers walking through. Literally no one here, so we're about to get another skate session in for the vlog. Gotta say before you shred this park.
Hey, let me ready, first try.
Oh, you had it.
If he lands it before me,
Fucking awesome.
If he lands it before you, you have to buy him a bottle of vodka. If you land it before
can't
him,
even do that.
he has to buy you a bottle of vodka.
Free for the video. All right, shake on it.
All right. Oh. This is officially the last fucking try.
Bottle of vodka for me.
Bottle of vodka for Nick, Bilal.
Should we?
Yeah, you got him a bottle of vodka.
It's too fucking sticky, man. It's way too sticky, man.
Where are we at right now?
Old workplace, In-N-Out. Not at this one, but yeah, these we're getting out.
Food review.
Mukbang. Fresh juice mixed with a double-double. Okay, we got an energy shot. It's probably gonna taste like butthole, but let's try it. Ew, there's like a glob in there. You see that? It looks like poop. It really tastes like poop in my mouth. If somebody took a poop and I ate it, that's what it tastes like in my fucking mouth.
Hey, how do you know what that tastes like?
I don't. I'm just like, hey, can I get the other one? Shotgun counter. So I've already done one. This will be my second one, right? All right, let's go. Well, damn, twisted tea. Oh, recording return.
Oh my fucking god.
You got an air bubble.
Nose.
Oh my god, it fucking exploded on the lens.
Woo! Yeah.
Record this on the vlog. Oh, go get the pizza. It's here. It's like 1 minute. For the pizza?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Have a good one. Got the pizza, chat.
We got the pizza. Cheers.
I finished first.
It's just literally on shuffle, bro.
You see it, big bro.
Oh my.
Wait, one more touch of the tips, please.
Okay.
I'm all right.
No, thank you.
Peter boy.